Today in this session, we will discuss the importance of marketing. Students, marketing is important for different people in different ways. Some of them are as follows. Marketing is important to the marketeers. Now, understand that marketeers are the people who do marketing for an organization. First importance is financial success. The success of an organization largely depends upon the effectiveness of marketing the product or service. Other organizational functions such as finance, operations, accounting are worthless if the demand for the product or service is not significant. Hence, marketing acts towards profit maximization while other functions are cost based. Students, here we have to remember that marketing is only the revenue generating function of the organization while other functions are cost incurring or cost based. Second importance to marketeer is marketing is often ruled to the top. Like other top positions in the organization, people related to marketing can also go to the top position as Chief Marketing Officer. Nowadays, marketing activities and strategies are a part of every annual report presented by the organization. Marketing is considered as the most vital and significant part of the entire organization. Third importance is marketing enhances sales of the organization. Very simple to understand. Other than just promoting the product and service, marketing is also responsible for keeping up the sales volume of the product. It is the role of the marketing executive to recognize the preference and demand of the consumer and present them the best product. By selling the product produced, the sales of the product increases, that is enhances sales. Next importance is develop company's image. Marketing plays a significant role in building the company's image. This can be established through brand name, logo, caption, brand image and tagline, which is viewed and pursued by the consumers via television commercials. Example, McDonald's, KFC's, the Tatas, the Reliance stores are all example of company's image which is done by the marketeers. Now, marketing is also the major component of product pricing. Marketing is important component for deciding the price of the product, as major portion of the price is related to marketing activities like promotion, product design, market research, etc. Next importance is to survive in the changing environment. Dear students, we all know that there are sudden changes in technology, business model and enhanced mobile workforce have emerged due to rapid globalization. This has made companies less predictable, independent and short-term strategy makers. Thus, these changes enable the companies to adapt prevailing marketing practice to capture larger share of the market and retain the existing customer. So, marketing helps in surviving in the changing environment. Importance to the consumer. First importance to the consumer is availability of global goods. Marketing activities with the information technology has added the consumers to access variety of product from different countries globally. Different tools like website, emails, online communities, SMS, e-business, etc. are used by marketeers to reach global customers and facilitate exchange. Thus, marketing has helped to make the goods produced available globally. Next importance to the consumer is promotes product awareness. As students, we know marketing people communicate regarding the product, and this is the main source of product recognition and awareness to the customers. So, marketing helps in promoting the product awareness in the customers. Also, marketeers are the initiators of innovative products in the market. New product produced is also being informed by the marketeers. Next importance is creating utilities. Different utilities are developed through marketing. First one is time utility, that is arranging the product at a required time. Second, form utility. Marketing helps in changing the raw material into desired product which is in demand by the customers. Information utility. Marketing activities is about informing about the product at a particular place and at a reasonable price the product is being made available. So marketing creates information utility. Next one is possession utility, that is transfer of ownership from manufacturer to the end user. Marketing also creates place utility, that is making the product available at the right place and at the right time. Now we will see the importance to the society. First importance to the society is protection against depression. Students, try to understand that depression is a situation where large number of sellers offer same product in the market. Marketing facilitates the availability of variety of products at reasonable price, thus avoiding the depression situation. Thus marketing makes product available, that is variety product in the market, and thus avoids a monotonous or a depression situation in the market. Second importance to the society is job opportunities. Marketing provides job opportunities to the society like advertising, personal selling, marketing research, logistics, product design, retailing, packaging, media relations, event management, etc. Thus marketing helps to create job opportunities for the people. Third importance to the society is availability of various products. Without marketing, there would have been no customers, and such there would have been no recognition of preferences of the customer. Marketing helps to identify the taste and preferences of customers and produce product in the company. Marketing thus offers a wide range of products and services to the consumers with different taste and preferences. These are the importance of marketing to the society. Thus, in today's lecture, we have seen the importance of marketing from the marketeer's point of view and from the society point of view.